I'm looking through a window. And as I look through this window, I see you tangled up. I see you, chains holding you. You're going through a period of distress, attacks, discouragement, hurts. And if you're not careful, the enemy would want to derail you, spoil up your life. You have lost sometimes a few years. You should have been much further. But God is a restorer. He's going to restore the years that the locust has eaten, the conkerworm and the palmer worm. He's going to restore. And not just that, but God is looking right down in your relationship. The sovereign God says, I see what is happening in your life. The back and forthing, the stubbornness, as if nobody can move him when he makes up his mind. But God said, I, the sovereign God, is going to break the shackles and the chain of his heart and bring deliverance to him. Fret not yourself, said God, for I've heard you in the midnight hour. For the Lord says, it is I, even I, will turn negative things around, and the things that has caused your heartache and problems in the past, God is rolling it away. No worry about when a girl they say and when a one they say. God said, I cut the shackles loose and I set you free. The hand of the Lord rest upon you. I feel